Hello friends. Today I'm going to be making a Valentine's DIY. Today I'll be making Conversation Hearts Vanilla Sugar Scrub. Hi, I'm Sherry and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Here is what we need to make our DIY Conversation Hearts Vanilla Sugar Scrub. 2 cups granulated sugar, 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/4 cup almond oil, 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, 1/4 cup Conversation Hearts, 3 drops of vitamin E oil, and this is optional. So let's get started, shall we? So take a medium-sized bowl, dump in the 2 cups of sugar, the 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and the 1/4 cup of almond oil, and mix until well blended. My daughter Christy sent me this recipe, and I thought it would be a fun Valentine's Day project. You could give these to your babysitter, the kids' teachers, your co-workers. Guys could give them to their girlfriends. You could give them to your daughters. They would just make fun little gifts. So that looks pretty good. Looks like it's going to make quite a bit. If you're using vitamin E oil, add 3 drops. That was probably the equivalent, it just ran out. And your 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla. And mix that until well incorporated. Smells good. Now this will last 2 to 3 months in an airtight container. And you want to keep it at room temperature. Want to make sure you get down to the bottom so that it gets thoroughly mixed. All right, that looks pretty good. I'm going to set it aside for just a second. So the recipe calls for a food processor. I'm just going to be using my spice grinder. Take the lid off. Take your 1/4 cup of Conversation Hearts. Pour in there. You don't want to get it too full. If it's too full, just do it in 2 batches. All right, so what you want, the desired result is going to be chopped up, probably like granules, not powder form. So you'll get the little bit of roughness into it and color. So hopefully that's what I'm going to achieve. We'll just push this down. Well, it's becoming powder-like and it's got quite a few left. It'll have some color anyway. I don't know whether the food processor would make it better or not. Okay, so we've got a little bit left to do. And I'm going to leave some in there, I think, but not those big pieces, though. It smells good. All right, so here it is. It is a powder. There is like a little bit of chunks in there. Let's go back over to the bowl. So it's best to get the granules, so like I said, that you can get the little bit of bits and pieces and color. My spice grinder ground it into powder. I will be dumping this in there. If I get any real big pieces, I'm going to dig them out. I see a couple. And mix that in. But it's going to have the smell of the Conversation Hearts and the smell of the vanilla. See, the little pieces like that is kind of what I was going for. So stir that up completely. All right, so I think if you're going to use a spice grinder, see there we have the little bits. Just do a few at a time, and then that way you can get the little tiny granules and not the powder. Because in order to get all of it ground up, it's going to become, some of them are going to be just nothing but powder. And this will give it a little bit of color to it as well. It's mixed up. I've got this cute little Valentine's jar. And you want an airtight container. And then just stick that in there. And this is, I believe, I think it's a 5 ounce. Could be a 4 ounce, I'm not sure. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but there are some little granules in there. I'll finish filling the other jars, and then I'll decorate this. So here are the do-it-yourself Conversation Hearts Sugar Scrub. Here is the one with the little heart jar. I hot glued the Conversation candy and put a heart ribbon on it. So I made 3 other ones. Did the same thing, hot glued the candy on it and put a ribbon on it. And you can just take mason jars as well. And there you have it. Very easy, fun to make, and a nice Valentine's Day gift. If you like this video and others like it, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notice every time I upload a new video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.